See it here, this is your girl Francine, aka Michi Boo, and you know where we go? Uochi. You have a passport, you have a visa, Uochi, I don't know normal place, you know. Uochi, I don't know normal place! Uochi! Uochi be gone, me say Uochi be gone. Hey, Uochi be, hey, hey. I don't want late for my flight, later.
Morning!
Look here now, it's a big and serious. You have a certain attitude when you come out of this. You have a certain style, you have a certain way to carry yourself. Some people why you put on your tour, whichever part you're there, put on your tour, put on your clothes, because we're getting a scent on, don't have what to riot. I go tell you something. I don't want to go talk and tell nobody, so I tell you no. Now, we have go about with business and we say we have planned to surprise you for our way there. But I want Jim Screechy and show you something. You don't know say after we are drive go Blue Hole, me I tell you no secretly. You don't know who starts say them hungry and them have to eat some food. Eh? Me can't bother. Me soon tell you no what I want. Soon come back. I'm not telling a lie. We plan for go on road, we plan for go enjoy ourselves, but me I tell you something. We are drive past a liquor restaurant and we see it, ranch restaurant, and we decide we not go no further. I mean not lie. The way Ali a ball boat her belly and I say she hungry, yo, we have to stop and get a thing. I mean not telling like the people in there, them nice so tell me not tell. What we say? Ali? Where Ali there? I wonder if I go and eat her. See her here? Hey! Look here, I tell you something. I drive all the way from Portland to come right at a ranch restaurant to come have my breakfast. You know where in my plate right now. Some ackee and fried dumpling and boiled dumpling and big excitement. Remember me tell you, anytime you're in a Uochi, stop right across. 3 stoplight, oh you go. 3 stoplight down. Alright. Card. Come like you want to give the people them wrong direction. See the phone number here? Ranch restaurant. See the phone number there? Alright. Where you send him White River, and that I see him when they make White River ready match, and I see him remember that? Yeah. And when I say where that's about the rain now when it rain? Like when it's raining in nights and links in heaven. Yeah, it come down. Yeah, it come down. Oh, I said it come down. Fancy. And then she said the pool will become down. It come down. Take the next seat, yeah? So no, take the right. Cascade. Who me know they are Cascade again? You know have a soul down here. It just, you know, seminar like nobody you know have one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. She know me feeling. She stand up and pause. I have enough to watch Pampers. Baby, come here. Oh man, I can't get some toast, man. I must have my face not fix it, you know. Fancy your face never fix it. No, wake up properly. You're about 14 years, you know, you can't fix it. Alright, people. 2 nice people. It's a group of them, you know. But me just pick out 2 for now, for talk to them. Meet Joe the people, and Ricardo. I say your name, right? Yeah. What the 2 of your tour guy? Tell me a little bit. Give me about 30 seconds of what you do, and 30 seconds of what you do right here at Blue Hole.
Alright, so
one thing you have to do, you have to talk loud so we hear well. Run in.
Alright, basically what we do, we start off from here, we get the entry, pay entry, then we go on the waterfall, we do like diving, cliff diving, then we do rope swing, caves, mud bath, you know what I mean?
Well on. So you have a limit on the weight when you talk about the swing thing car, you see my... I said that we are talking about. That's nothing we are talking about all the while, innit? I thought I remember, but sorry, go on. Sorry. Talk to me. So you said me can swing pan rope?
Yeah man, once I can hold a weight man, a body weight.
Alright. So if I can't hold it, somebody can hold it for me?
No problem.
I don't know because sorry, stop because I want it for activity. So you say swing rope, give me it again.
rope swing, platform jump like 18 feet high. We have mud bath, mineral mud bath you can get from mineral from through the limestone. You know, feel me?
Yeah. I like it, you know. I feel like so we get muddy.
Yeah.
What do you mean mud bath? So we lie down in the mud?
A nice massage with the mineral mud coming from through the limestone.
So which part you massage? Because my body tender, you know. Which part? Then your question. Why am I nervous?
See, you always embarrass me, man. You never feel you, man. Alright, answer them. The mud bath. Tell me a little bit of how the mud bath goes. The mud bath.
Yeah, man. So basically we rub like on your arm, your foot. You know what I mean? We give a nice massage, rub it in the minerals. So
why you touch yourself? Huh? Why you touch yourself? No, not.
Yeah, get trouble, you know.
No, talk to me.
Your problem, she give me.
Alright,
Pray for me. Yeah. So you say the hand massage and the foot them.
Yeah.
You know why you massage your hand and the foot them? Because I will heap of pressure in the hiking, you know. Talk true.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah. So here what we are gonna do. Already we're ready then, no man. The road we said then, no. Come on, man.
Alright, right there.
We're gonna take it to them.
We are exiting St. Mary now.
Yeah, so this is the border.
The river.
Oh, the river, the border. So we're there. So the border, St. Mary it is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we're in St. Mary's side now. Once you cross that bridge, you're in St. Anne.
Okay.
Alright, so on the sister part of water blue. St. Anne.
So watch me now. Hey! Ryan Anne! Look at St. Mary, where are they?
Oh, my St. Anne, my St. Anne.
St. Mary, I'm there.
St. Anne, with them.
You should not know St. Mary, where we come from. Yo! Look at the St. Anne, you know.
Yeah, and this is Dada right here, sir.
Dada.
Yeah, man, Dada.
Dada, big up yourself, big up Dada.
Yeah, man.
Up to the time. Watch it, Dada. Watch it. Yo, hey, go there, Dada. Hey. We so come, Dada. Alright, big up, Bobby, big up, Papa, big up. People are going here, so. Me know the laughing thing, you know.
Trail.
Right now, Barry I go up on the trail. Barry I do road. Barry gone up there like a true champion. Go right, Barry. Barry, watch it, Barry. Watch it. No, on a serious level, the whole them here. They call it Blue Hole. They call it Blue Hole.
Alright, Barry, catch a break, Barry.
You know, show off kind of man, you know. You tell a man say I can't go far enough anywhere. My breath.
Alright, so my sister, right, that's why ya.
Where go on, sister?
B, sister B.
Boy, we there, you know.
Yeah, so she sell it, towel them, souvenirs.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So Barry, look what I want.
If I'm too small, I don't know if this can help you.
We done tour with you.
Let me catch the break, Papa. Do for the love of God.
First of all,
The smaller one maybe can.
the first thing that catch my eye is this lady out here.
Yeah.
Remember me told you.
Yeah. Black, green, go around the edges. Don't play
Straight
with that.
Jamaican.
Yeah.
Straight Jamaican. And you see where I go on behind her?
Beautiful.
Crazy Jamaican towel. You see it? Hold on. Why me alone a blow some? Hold on. Hold on. And then see it here.
So talk to her, so what go on here, sir?
Alright, talk to her. What's your name, darling? Big Blow.
B say yes, so the something them.
Hey!
Yeah.
So you see when you wear your jewelry
Yeah.
And you want you
Open now.
them thing you rum
Shot glass.
Something about that opener.
shot
now.
glass.
Something about that opener. now.
Fancy put it down.
Open
Step
now.
away. And yeah man, and step away from here.
Oh God.
Step away.
Open.
Yeah man.
Opener you
You
want?
see all them purse yeah?
Yeah.
You see if you get all them purse yeah?
And you
I
have
have
blue
something
hole
with
on.
blue hole.
Yeah.
Hey, you're real Jamaican.
Yeah man.
Any which part of the world you come from.
No, I grade in the place.
Alright, so now promote. Alright, so right here, B. You have to get your jewelry. You have to get your bangle.
The opener.
Yeah man, you gone again.
B.
Mr. B, too forward, too forward. Yeah man.
No, jumping. Blue hole is all about jumping. Excitement, you know what I mean?
Yeah man. Eh?
Yes, you ready?
No, I want to where him jump from again.
No, but we are going to go up there, so we're not normally jumping this one, you know what I mean? Yeah, we have some other pools over there. Yeah, man.
I want. You soon do that thing on. What yourself?
Alright, take your time. It's firm enough. No. You're good, Barry.
Well, I want to hear my youth and all why I love the ramping, you know. What do you mean, Chimo, man? I want to hear my youth.
No, but if you walk to the limit, you have to say you want to stop here, you know. River more and see more, man.
Somebody push her. Hold on there. Watch out, see all them a sip and them something there. We now go up there, yeah, man. We go on there.
Come on, we are go up there. Come. People come to our go on up there, so. And Barry's on the go. And Barry's on the go. That's very good. And Barry's on the go. Beautiful people. Stop loud. One more challenge again. She never bang into this place.
Up there! Up there! Up there! Up there!
Up the falls there we are going. Right up there, sir. There we are going up the falls there. One more lesson I learned, you know. Once you hear about river, prepare for walk. You understand? What you think we get them here? Think of chatting. We come prepare. Last time we never prepare, but we make up our mind say, watch out, no more juke on the bottom now go and foot bottom may attack. Come on. This, you know. We are going to do that. What? Yeah, we are going to do it. Seriously. We are going to jump off. Nick, me ready for jump. Me want jump. Me are going to jump.
Minutes later.
Barry, you make it? Alright. God, I'm gonna make that jump now.
Don't move! Stay where you are! You see who's in the cave, tell them to stay!
Come in, bad man. Come. Don't move, just stay where you are. What am I going to do? Him can't. Serious? Jesus have mercy. Jesus. Why God? When there? Me not see him. When there? Jesus. Hey! Not do that, my heart. Don't look here. Come back up. Lord Jesus. No, that's not real. Jamaica is not a real place.
It's not better to come down. Michibu, how you feel? You ready? The people float, you know, guess why? She have on the vest. Shh. Don't worry yourself. Ali can do just like that without the vest. She can't manage it without the vest, people, like that, me I tell you. How you feel? Falling in love. Hey, people, you see him more carry more money. You know why? The man well skilled. When the man a jump from rock to rock, hey, we couldn't do it without him. So personally, more answer to the Blue Hole staff and to this one here. Yes, sir.